Saving pumpkin seeds for planting is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to save and store pumpkin seeds properly for planting in the next growing season. 1. Choose the right pumpkin. Select a healthy, ripe pumpkin from the vine. Look for a pumpkin that is fully matured, with a hard rind and vibrant color. 2. Harvest the seeds. Cut open the pumpkin carefully. Scoop out the seeds with a spoon or your hands. 3. Clean the seeds. Rinse the seeds thoroughly under cool running water. Remove any remaining pumpkin flesh or debris, as this can cause mold during storage. 4. Dry the seeds. Spread the cleaned pumpkin seeds on a flat surface, like a paper towel or a baking sheet. Allow them to air dry for about a week or until completely dry. 5. Test for viability, optional. If you want to ensure the seeds are viable, you can perform a germination test. Take a few seeds and place them between moist paper towels in a sealed plastic bag. Keep the bag in a warm place for a few days and check for sprouting. 6. Label and store. Once the seeds are dry and tested, if desired, place them in a labeled and airtight container or a small envelope. Be sure to include the pumpkin variety and the year you harvested the seeds. Store the container in a cool, dry, and dark place, such as a pantry or a refrigerator. 7. Preparing for planting. When it's time to plant the pumpkin seeds, soak them in water overnight before planting. This will help kickstart germination and increase the chances of successful sprouting. By following these steps, you can save pumpkin seeds from your favorite pumpkins and use them to grow healthy and delicious pumpkins in your garden next season.